Hello coders, I'm back again with an Excel video, and in this video I'll be discussing about a new feature introduced in Excel. So if the interviewer asks you that tell me about some new feature that has been introduced in Excel, you can say that we have made the filter function more interactive. So something like that. In this particular sheet, the data which is being shown, some office and given by the office buildings, they have some code and some office items. Now for a particular building, I want to know of the stationary items that has been supplied to them. So I don't need to view about Jadavpur or maybe Shibpur. I need to view only about Gitobitan. So I'll be selecting this range of cells, and after that I'll be pressing either Control Shift L, or from home tab here is the option of a filter. Here this one. If I keep the cursor in here for a brief moment of time, it is already showing the shortcut key which I have just said about, the Control Shift L. So now you can just from here drop down, select, uncheck all of the options and select only the maybe Gitanjali or maybe Gitobitan, whichever. So in Gitobitan, these are the items that have been supplied. So this is, I mean, you need to, it is not so much interactive. So I'll be ruling out the filter by again pressing Ctrl Shift L, or you can click on this shorten filter button and from there click on this filter back once again. So we are having this particular option in the insert tab. But before inserting the slicer, this particular feature introduced in Excel slicer, I need to first convert this particular cell, I mean this range of data into a table. So Control T, okay, fine. Now what we'll be doing is that we'll be going to the insert section and we'll be selecting this slicer, and this slicer will be based on the office. So I'll be clicking on office, okay. So it's showing vertically, and what if I want to just change this to horizontally? So here it is showing that column equal to 1. So that means column equal to 1, fine. Is there something like column equal to, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 columns, so 5 and then enter, yeah. So now the vertical has been changed to horizontal, something like this. And there is a little bit of mistake in here. Maybe I can make this a little bit bigger. No, let me adjust the fine. So whenever I'm clicking on Gitanjali, so it is showing only of Gitanjali, and then Gitobitan, Jadavpur, Lord's Building, Shibpur. Now if I click on Shibpur one more time, then just click on this clear filter and all of the data will be shown. So this is an interactive kind of feature slicer which has been introduced in Excel, the later newest version of Excel. So that's all for this particular video. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, and do throw some likes and comment, boost my motivation, and helps me to keep recording more problem set scenarios and upload it to my channel. So before ending, I'll be again going to this particular section insert, and here is the slicer, this particular button. So whenever you are clicking on this button, then the filter on which the column labels on which you are wanting to apply the filter, you not just need to check that on that and then press OK. And before just applying this filter, sorry, slicer, all you need to do is that you need to convert your data into a table. That's all for this video. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.